Oh yeah. That's what we need.
Oh, okay, Lieutenant Governor. Yeah. We would vote.
Well, I was going to say, have y'all decided yet who you're going to vote for Lieutenant Governor? You're going to vote for Lieutenant Governor?
For Lieutenant Governor?
Have y'all decided yet who you're going to vote for Lieutenant Governor?
Not for Lieutenant Governor, no.
May I give you a brochure?
Absolutely.
Okay, so this is John Law. John is the only one in the race that has been officially endorsed by President Trump. He's hoping we elect him as our Lieutenant Governor to help Tommy Tuberville to get our conservative agenda through, because that's what a Lieutenant Governor does. He helps the governor do that. And I tell everybody, just remember walls, because he's going to help tear down the walls.
I've heard his name before. Yeah. I've heard it before.
Good. Yes, sir.
Very impressive.
You want to take that one with you?
If you don't mind, yeah.
Yeah, please.
Do you mind being on YouTube?
No.
Okay, then you are.
Okay.
Glasses.
Oh, my glasses are on YouTube?
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. All the hats you want right there.
Okay, I didn't know it, but right now she is being drawn in by handmade wooden Chinese-looking parasails. Okay guys, so we know that at this point it ain't a matter of am I, it's a matter of which one.
Another lucky puppy.
Okay, so at this point I have no idea what she said, but I think it was, I want one, I just don't know which one.
You know she's gonna beat me with this, right?
I'm sorry.
I know, right?
I should have got you a softer one.
So let's see what you look like with your new parasail. Very pretty, dear.
This kind of reminds me of when I was a kid. There's plenty for kids to do. This is right by the stage. It reminds me of when we used to go to the drive-in theater, and the parents would kick the kids out of the car so they could go play.
That is
Kind of cool, huh?
Have lunch and then have like a sandwich and salad.
I just need some coffee.
Hey, this has been another episode of Rick on the Road, OAM Garage. If you didn't get a chance to go to Prattville CityFest, well, maybe you'll get to go next year. But hey, you got to see this year what happened. See y'all later. Thanks for watching.